Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm France Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up and FrenchieStamps.com. Today I'm going to share what I promised that I would share a quick card to put in the purse. If you missed this lovely little purse, I'm going to have the link at the end, and I had 8 cards in it, and I said I would share a quick and simple card to put in them. And we're going to do a twist to this. It's very simple card. It's all from the same print, the poppy moment. Peaceful poppies. Sorry, peaceful poppies. I'm going to share how to do a simple one-sheet wonder. And if you're wondering why in the heck I don't have no greeting on these, it's because we're going to do an emergency card kit with greeting. What is an emergency card kit? I'm going to share how to put different greeting ready to go and so on, and I get a great tip with that. Here they are. So let's get started first with the one sheet wonder. This is as simple as a one sheet wonder can go, I think. It is 12 by 12 designer series paper. I feel here we go. And this one, you see, it's kind of mixed pattern, so it's not just one direction. The stripe in the back, it won't matter if it go one direction or the other. If you are using, like this one here, you see it go on one way, the flower, that would be maybe not working just like the one I'm doing. You would have to change horizontal or vertical for your card. It's still going to work. It's just that maybe instead of an up and down card, it's going to go the other way. And this one, it's no problem. So that is one thing, especially if you get writing or like flowers going in one direction, then your card can go on a different direction. Okay, let me move that along here. The first thing we're going to do, I want to go this way, so my stripe goes sideways in the back, okay? They go like this. I'm going to take 2 inches from the bottom or the top, whatever. So let me take this, put this at 2 inches, and I'm going to remove that. Now that leaves me with a piece of 12 inch still by 10. We're going to cut this in increment of 3 and I have to think 3 3/4. So we're going to cut this at 3 3/4, and again at 3 3/4, and again at 3 3/4. And I'm left with this strip here. We're going to take those 3 strips of 3 3/4, and we're going to cut that at 5 inches. So that's going to give me 6 cards right here. So I get 3 3/4 by 5. So I get 6 of them. Now the piece that we cut at the 2 inch, we're going to remove 2 inches of that. So it gives me a square of 2 by 2. The 2 by 2, I decide to cut that diagonal. Like this. Now this piece here, we're going to cut that at 5 inch. Et voila, 5 and 5. Let me share, oops, and this piece here is going to be cut at 3 3/4. Not sure. Let's wait on that one, just make sure. Okay, one sheet, it go here. See how simple this was? That's 1, 2, and the backing I use Poppy Parade, Old Olive, and Blackberry Bliss. And all circle that it's on the card right now, it is 1 3/4 circle in Blackberry Bliss. Here, this one here, what I done, I cut one of those strips. I cut this at 2 3/4. So, and I'm going to have 2 of them, I think. 2 3/4. I cut this there, use this strip and flip it. And it's still just that one piece. See? Voila. Now, yes, okay, now I know. This one here, we're going to cut that at 5. So it's going to give us 2. That strip from the side. Now we got another one here. This one, it's, let me look where we got the one that was 2 by 5. That one go there, and the long strip that we cut back in the center, one go at the top, and one go in the center on Blackberry Bliss. That's another card. Now on Poppy Parade, that's just another single strip. And in the center, it's just a piece of scrap cardstock when I was cutting my mat. That's simple. Here is Blackberry Bliss for the black, and a strip of Old Olive. That's another one, the 3 3/4 by 5. Here is another one. This one I put it this way, and I go this way. And then again, it's just a strip of, just when I was cutting my mat there, you get all those strips, I use that. The back of it, it is 5 1/4 by 4. So you get little strip, and I just use them with. Now this one here, it's the other 5 by 2 that we add. And remember the square, the 2 by 2 we add? So what I done, I put that there and put that here just to use that. And then I use another strip of Blackberry Bliss and put my circle, and this was there. That's simple. So this easy cut gonna give you 8 cards with your designer series paper. Inside I just stamp the greenery from Positively Tots. Some of it I use the poppy. Try to see which one it was there that I use the poppies inside. But very simple. Now I would put that in my purse. Here we go. Just the flower at the bottom. You can put greeting inside. The thing for this, it would be tricky to put greeting inside, because what I done, I did a bunch of different greeting. I got hello from Magnolia Bloom. I got the thank you and the happy birthday. Hello and thinking of you are both from Magnolia Blooms. And the happy birthday and the thank you are from, okay, let's back up the bus here. The thinking of you and the hello are from Good Morning Magnolia. The happy birthday and the thank you are from Magnolia Blooms. So 2 Magnolia stamps that I use here. So I use this, I stamp all that on circle that measure 1 1/2. So all my circle measure 1 1/2. And what I done, I just lay this flat. This is my glue dots, and it's the perfect distance for 2 glue dots per greeting. Put it there, keep on rolling, and you're going to put all your greeting on this. They will be ready to put on the cards, but we will not put them on the cards till we are ready to mail the cards, or we know what we need. Now what I'm going to do, this is done. I'm going to cut that there. So now you can remove that from the backing. See, they would be ready to remove. What I'm going to do, I'm going to fold this in 2s. I like to fold it in 2s. So then, anytime you need a card, a lot of time you're like, oh, I need a thank you card, I need a thinking of you, a hello, hello, and thinking of you go for many occasions, right? So now I got these ready to go. I would just put this in an envelope, and then I can take my lovely purse here and put my cards with my envelopes in here. Well, I would put 4 and 4. 4 on one side, 4 on the other side. And then here I would put emergency greeting and put that in the back of one of the pockets here. And close this And now you get your emergency little card pack and make an awesome gift. Not only that it make an awesome gift, but then they get the greeting that they need. So hope this is going to help you on this emergency card kit. And like I said, the one sheet wonder, I just whipped that to show you quick card to put in this and have an emergency card kit. All measurement will be on my blog and all the supplies that I use. Direct link below or above. All in the U.S. can shop 24/7 at FrenchieStamps.com. Thank you so much for your support. Till next time, happy stamping, my friend.